Stuck with OSPPREARM errors in Windows Office? Let's get you back on track, fast. Step 1. Open the Run dialog with Windows key plus R type CMD, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to launch command prompt as an administrator. That's key. Step 2. Navigate to your Microsoft Office folder using the CD command. Usually it's in C Program Files, Microsoft Office, and your version number, like Office 16. Step 3. Type ospprarm.exe and hit Enter. This should reset your Office trial period. To check if it worked, run cscript ospp.vbs/d status and look for remaining grace period. Still having trouble? Make sure your Office license is valid. Check your subscription or redeem your product key on the Microsoft account site. If osprarm.exe is missing or broken, grab a fresh copy from a trusted source or reach out to Microsoft. And if all else fails, run a registry scan or reinstall Office. You've got this. Stay productive. Your fix is just a few steps away.